Previously on Totally Primal.
I'm at my favorite grocery store, Festival Foods, and we're going fresh today.
We provide different recipes and resources for our guests to really just make eating at home easier.
Wisconsin and Festival just go together, right?
That was really fun going around the store and everything. So I don't know, should we get to the kitchen and get this stuff put together?
Yes, let's go.
On the menu today, we're gonna do a venison bacon BLT using Primal Eats venison bacon, using that free-range grass-fed venison in there. Looking at that awesome cheese section again at Festival, we picked up some 7-year aged cheddar, and the produce gave us the rest of everything we needed. Look at that. That is perfect. We are going to be putting together a little charcuterie board. And check out this little piece of magic that they're selling at Festival Foods, a etched bamboo cutting board. We're going to put that board together right here.
The thing that's cool about charcuterie is that traditionally it was just meat, and it has evolved from that to just virtually anything that you want to snack on.
We're going to start off, of course, with the
Grass-fed free-range venison sausage snack sticks. We're going to use some of the classic German ones, and we're going to use some of the jalapeno cheddar.
And you'll find these right in our meat department.
Right in the meat department, yes ma'am.
The Vessel did a great job putting a lot of those products right next to one another, so it's really easy to find. They're not spread out all over the place.
So we have a variety of cheeses today from the Cheese Island in our deli. So we started out with something that is a little bit creamier. It's not from Wisconsin, this is actually from Ireland, so kind of more of like a Gouda style. And then we kind of wanted a few different flavors with our board. So we have something with kind of a mushroom chive flair, and
umami flavor.
Yes,
right?
Yeah, for sure. And then a Merlot wine, which, I mean, again, we keep saying this, but we eat with our eyes too. So we just loved kind of the veining in this one too. It just is gonna add some really cool color to the board.
Yes, and we could have spent all day at the Deli
Oh,
Cheese
yeah.
Island. Just like, what about this one? What about this one?
Yes, on the 2 non-Irish ones, those are both Wisconsin cheeses, and you can tell because it does have that proudly Wisconsin cheese badge on that label.
So we picked out some of our Festival branded nuts. We have some smoked almonds, which are just delicious and fun. And then some roasted and unsalted pecans, which would be great for snacking too.
And it wasn't a bad idea to get the smoked almonds. I think that pairs up well with the snack sticks, if I must say.
From our produce department, we kind of just picked up a variety of different things. So we've got some raspberries, some blackberries, and then again, just to vary that color a little bit, we got some green grapes.
And then 2 in our deli, which is something, you know, kind of unique to a charcuterie board, are the different spreads.
Yeah.
And we are obsessed with this fig spread. So just setting this by your board with a little knife. And then we need crackers, of course.
To go along with that, we have these, they're kind of crackery, but they're called cheese sticks.
Between produce and our deli department, and then the meat department, of course, with the snack sticks, this was like a one-stop shop. So fast. Just, this looks good, this looks good.
Well, and it's so easy, and you can just let your mind go where it likes to. You know, there's so many opportunities to take this different directions and have fun with it.
That great Wisconsin cutting board, again, we picked that up at Festival Foods. That was actually in your meat department. So very well placed there.
There's something conspicuously missing here, the wine or the beer?
Yeah,
Yes,
that's
yeah.
curious. Who was in charge of that?
Shoot, let's go back.
Well, that went together pretty easy, you guys. I mean, I gotta
Looks
say.
awesome.
Primal Eats bringing the free-range grass-fed venison. We got the sticks in this recipe, and we've got a nice charcuterie board put together with all those great cheeses that we talked about, the stuff that came from the Cheese Island and Festival Foods, using all that awesome produce in the sandwich, and you know, it just doesn't get much better than this. This is what makes our job fun. How about you guys?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, so much fun.
We're actually gonna get into this right now, so we're gonna have to let you guys go, and we'll see you next time on another episode of Totally Primal.
Okay, thank you, folks. We'll see you guys later.
Tom, I've talked to you about this before. You gotta wait till we're done.
Glass of wine, we're good to go.
All right.
You want on one side or two?
One side, s'il vous plaît.
Do I get to pick the side?
Yes.
Oh, yeah.
No, not that side.
He gotcha.
You see what I have to work with every day?
Yeah.